UFC sports. It's in the game.
Together, who can get their hand raised in the octagon. When you're in a clinch, you can pull down with the head and land these beautiful punches to the head. That knee hurt him.
Quick level change now.
He went single into a high crotch. Oh, he's taking his dude for a ride. Dean flips him over the top. What a huge takedown.
I mean, again. Right there, the seminal blow of the fight.
I mean, it was perfect. It was absolutely perfect, John. Great placement on that uppercut. Oh, yeah.
All right, so here he is, the former UFC interim lightweight champion, Toni Ferguson. And here's a guy who a lot of these fellow lightweights believe represents the toughest matchup for them. Just hard to know what's coming. Truly a five-tool player, and he will look to put all those skills to good use yet again here tonight.
I mean, you point to the Josh Thompson fight, the beautiful elbow that he landed to split him open, and it shows you the diversity of Toni Ferguson. And you have to remember, he was a national champion at Grand Valley State University. Right. So if he needs to, you can be a guy that has the ability to take you down and just brutalize you on the ground. Not only brutalize you, but he has a great ability to submit his opponents, as he showed when he won the title fight Kevin Lee.
And he is most happy when he's in a fight, right? Certainly a guy who loves to train, as is well documented. Just the way he attacked the knee injury rehabilitation just shows you his true colors. And I know I speak for the MMA fans around the world, very happy to see El Cucuy back in the octagon here tonight. All right, so here he is, one of the more prolific takedown artists in the UFC at present. And when you get some praise from Daniel Cormier when it comes to your offensive takedown game, you know you're doing something right.
And we talk about wrestlers and judo players and grapplers, but this guy just combines all of that. He is able to use foot sweeps from the grappling game. He is able to use throws from judo, and he's able to use wrestling from the wrestling game to take people down. He has an array of takedowns at his disposal, and he uses every single one of them. From the speed of the level change, to the timing, to the knowledge of where to go next. When the guy starts to defend, he's truly, truly something special.
I don't think he could take you down, but tonight he doesn't have to. So
he does not have
this matchup, prevailing wisdom is he'll be able to get this fight to the canvas. And now our tail of the tape for this lightweight scrap. Oliveira is 30. Ferguson is 36. He will have...
You ready? Are you ready?
All right, folks, here we go with round one. This is not the Eddie Bravo Invitational. This is the UFC, and two of the more decorated Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu black belts we have in this or any division.
Yes, in any division. We've never seen guys that can really incorporate Jiu-Jitsu into fighting as we've seen this two do. But who's going to make a mistake? Who's going to leave an arm out there to get grabbed? Who's going to leave their neck out? Let's see, when you put two great jiu-jitsu players together, who can get their hand raised in the octagon. When you're in a clinch, you can pull down with the head and land these beautiful punches to the head. That knee hurt him.
Quick level change now.
He went single into a high crotch. Oh, he's taking his dude for a ride. Dean flips him over the top. What a huge takedown.
I mean, do I survive that, or am I read my last run?
Absolutely not. You don't survive it. It's over. It's over.
Well, the octagon, not a great place to be when you're looking for a rest or a stool. His stamina has been a huge issue tonight.
It's abandoned him, but he did it. He tried. He fought as hard as he could for as long as he could. Now it's about survival.
Oh! Big shots exchanged in the pocket there.
Big punch lands over the top. How's he gonna follow this? Ooh, head kick lands. He's hurt. Wow, actually got the takedown.
Oh, and he's back up again. Right there, the seminal blow of the fight.
I mean, it was perfect. It was absolutely perfect, John. Great placement on that uppercut. Oh, yeah.
Back to the feet.
He needs to start looking to finish now because he's got his opponent hurt very bad.
Quick level change.
Oh, he went single, rotated head on for a ride. Oh, takes it for a ride. What a fantastic takedown.
Oh, wow, that happened quickly as the fighter reverses position there on the ground.
Unbelievable position change. Wow, what a transition.
A lot of top pressure being applied here.
He's in trouble. He's hurt bad. He ate that kick. He took that whole kick, yep. An uppercut landed.
Now some uppercuts.
He better move, John. He cannot take these uppercuts from this position.
So just over big knee. Goes down again. Oh! Big knee there.
Big combination.
Oh! Right to the target. Let's see if his opponent can survive.
I cannot believe he's still standing after taking that punch.
All right, so there's the end of the round as we show you some of the highlights, DC, and there was a big knockdown there. Thought he might get the finish. We'll see if he gets it in the next round.
Well, if he lands that shot again, it will be over. It will be a finish. You don't recover from two of those types of strikes. He found the right moment. He found the opening.
Catch your breath. Breathe. Listen. You can do this now. I want you to go down and put your combination. All right, folks, here we go. Round two. Charles Bronx Oliveira versus Toni Ferguson.
Nice.
Huge shot there, DC. I'm not sure how he stayed upright.
I mean, when you get hit with a shot like that, to stay standing shows and talks to your toughness. He has a commitment to kicking tonight, and it shows.
Huge strike lands there. Somehow, his opponent stayed upright.
I mean, he's still on his feet, but he's not up by much.
Oh! And just like that, the fight is over.
He's done. He's done. What a fight.
Yeah, man, crowd loving it. Just a gorgeous shot there to end the fight. Really just the way he drew it up. He found the opening and capitalized on it to the utmost extent. Nicely done to finish the fight. Well, he's going to enjoy watching this one back. Let's take a look at the replay of the knockout just a moment ago.
It was right hand after right hand after right hand. Finally, he found the one that hit the exact sweet spot that ended his opponent's night.
And there he is after the huge knockout turned in tonight. Near perfect execution and one of the bigger highlights of his UFC career.
Ladies and gentlemen, referee Dan Migliotta's called stop to this contest at 47 seconds of round number 2. Declaring the winner by knockout, Charles "The Bronx" Oliveira.
So the celebration is on.